Hello everyone, I just took a shower to show my great hospitality to the new member of my family. Do you wonder who it is? Let's go!
As you see, here is the new member of my family waiting unboxed. LG Graham! Yay! I needed this because I might be better on YouTube with a better one. Yes, this is the excuse I used to myself to buy this. And definitely, being a vlogger makes me totally broke. You know, I already bought a new smartphone 1.5 months ago. So, I like to introduce the slang word 통장. 통장. 통장 is an abbreviation of 텅 빈 통장, which means empty bank account, while making similar sound to 통장, a bank account. So it gives a little sad but fun feelings, and so used by many youngsters. Even if my account has been getting empty, I still feel good because spending money sometimes makes us feel better, right? And that's why we work hard. Unlike the older generations here, we find spending money for ourselves definitely joyful and so satisfying. So the next slang word to describe this feeling is 탕진잼. 탕진잼. 탕진잼 is for 탕진하는 재미, the fun, joy from spending all the money we have. Actually, the word 탕진 originally gives negative impressions, but combined with the 재미, fun, the next noun becomes a fun word to describe our bittersweet complex feelings with the empty account. Actually, this video was supposed to be an unboxing LG Graham, and I wanted it to look like an expert, but you know, I am so bad at handling any machines and devices, and I don't know what to say, except that it is pretty and light for sure. Yes, people like me only care about the design to show off. Now, it's time to make my 통장 full again to taste another 탕진잼 again soon. This is my unboxing LG Graham story, which makes me look more amateur rather than a pro whatever. Have a joyful day everyone. Bye!